guys, I'm Maria Brown. Welcome back. Did you get any sugar pumpkins? If you did, you're in luck because these are so easy to cook. To make your own homemade puree, to make your pumpkin pie, to make pumpkin muffins, to make pumpkin anything. Come on, let's go get started. There is no comparison to the taste. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. This is pretty easy. Make sure you're using a sharp knife. Lay it down and cut off the stem. And then if you lay that down flat, it's not gonna move on you. And then just cut it right in half. Now go ahead and scoop all of that out. Okay, now we're just going to rub these with a little bit of canola oil inside and out. Let's pop these right in. We'll check them after about 30 minutes to see how soft they are. You know, it could take 40 minutes to an hour depending on how big yours are. Okay, we're going to test this. See how soft that is? Whoop, that's ready. It's been 35 minutes, and at 30 minutes it wasn't quite ready, but look at it at 35. That's perfect. This one has been out and it's still quite hot, but not so hot that I can't handle it. I'm going to scoop the pumpkin right out of there. So just scoop all that out of both sides and then just plop it right into the food processor. That's it. That's ready to use. That's perfect. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you got anything out of it, give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Maria Brown. Thanks for watching.